Hey designers! Ever wondered if design can really shape your future? Today, I'll show you how just one t-shirt design on Canva can open the door to your own income stream. With just a small click, you could start a journey that generates lakhs in monthly income. So, let's not wait. Let's dive into our creative adventure. Open Canva Pro version. Open a blank file. Create a t-shirt design. And Dolland in transparent background. Open a new blank file. Search t-shirt. And open this file. Go to Element and search t-shirt mockup. Select your t-shirt. Upload your design. Adjust it to fit. Your design is ready. It is ready to Dolland. Select a template. Customize it. Dolland with transparent background. And upload your design and adjust. Dolland this t-shirt. Make and sell all these designs on the website. Customers will buy them and you will be able to earn income.